everybody. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I am going to make some bread with this. This is the current fascinator of everyone in the universe of instant noodles. This is cup noodles pumpkin spice flavor made in the United States by Nissin. So anyways, I'm going to add an apple to this bread too. And yeah, let's get to it.
Ready, set, go.
So it's done. It looks like a loaf of bread, so I'm gonna let it cool down, then I'm gonna slice it up, and then we'll give it a try, huh? Well, the bread is done and the bread is sliced. I haven't tried it yet. It does have apple in it. If you look right here, you can see a little of that apple. Pretty heavy bread. It smells good. Let's give it a try. Wow, it does taste like pumpkin spice. Yeah, you can totally taste it. I only used 2 of these cups. The flavor of that pumpkin spice is strong enough to contend with about 3 cups of flour. And here's another piece of apple. Let's give this a try. The apple came out just right. It's not crunchy anymore, and it adds a little bit of niceness to it. All that extra sugar I put in there, yeah, that helped. Well, now it's dark. I can't take beauty shots of this stuff once I do what I'm about to do to it. So I'll have to do what I was about to do to it tomorrow. It's the next day. It's light outside thanks to daylight savings time changing back to standard time, I think. Yeah, so what do I do with this stuff? I've got an idea. That's more like it. Yeah, it still tastes like pumpkin spice, and it's got little bits of apple in it. This is really, really good. I think most people would enjoy this that enjoy breakfast foods. Hey, Mimi, you want to try? You want to try the French toast? No! Look! It's got syrup and whipped cream and powdered sugar. Come on, give it a try. Give it a try. You'll like it. I know you'll like it. You like it? You want another bite? Well, I'm telling you, I'm not crazy. This is good. So now I gotta go and make more things with this pumpkin cup noodles. So I will catch you on the flip side, and there'll be more for 4001, A Spice Odyssey. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.